now. It's Zan's turn to be terminated.
On the Abdullah Sisters show.
Yes, on the Abdullah Sisters show.
Okay, turn back to me.
I am Dina. That's Zan. Boo! I'm way funner, so she would have more fun than me. I am parentheses Nick Jonas. She is parentheses Joe Jonas. Okay, give me it. Okay. Da-da-dum. Time to be terminated on dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. The stroller. Okay. Thanks, Zan, you're back. Kidding. Oh man, it's on break. Yeah. Show me that. Okay, now it's on break. Show me you got. Oh my god! Seriously, like not that fast.
What's the turning point?
I'm gonna go way higher. Nina, no, that's not fair. I only went that.
Okay, fine. You're so boring. Okay.
Annoying.
Give me the camera now.
Bye, people. This is my last video for. Oh crap! There's a car.